Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. And this is my cousin Brittany.
Hi.
And this is my newest cousin Aiden. We're gonna do a Dollar Tree DIY. And so we found it on Pinterest. It was so cute.
Super cute.
So cute. So we got this little chalkboard. I actually am calling it a Dollar Tree DIY, but this came from Michael's and it was $1.99. And then I grabbed some of my acrylic paint, and that's what you can get at the Dollar Tree. Woo! And I got a, what is this? Deep yellow, an orange yellow, and then the white. And we're gonna make his little feet into candy corn, and it's really cute. On here it's gonna say, "Trick or treat, smell my feet." So we'll go ahead and do that, and I'm gonna just move this down. Look how cute he is. He just wants to, he's all fed, he's all changed. He's just being a little grumpy right now. But let's go ahead and move this down. There we go. And then I've got the chalkboard marker. Oh, he's being handed off to Grandma. And so we're going to put on here in little letters, trick or treat. And then this one will say, smell my feet. They're talking to each other. So we've got that done. And then I just have an acrylic block. You guys know I do this with my stamping. So that's just, it's going to be easy to clean. You could use a paper plate if you want. You can use whatever you would like. But we are going to do, how does the candy corn go? It goes white, yellow,
and orange.
Okay, so we're going to do a little bit of white on here. And we're going to end up doing 2 feet.
White is the top.
Okay, and then orange is the bottom?
Yeah. And then yellow is the bottom.
Oh, really? Oh, see, I would have done it backwards. We just happen to have candy corn laying around. So then we're going to put on some orange. And I think it'll probably all get mixed up, but we want to get the size of his feet. Yeah, we're pretty good. And then some yellow down here as well. Oh my gosh, that's so cute.
Maybe a little bit bigger.
What's that?
Otherwise,
Yeah, maybe a little bit more, you're right. So we're gonna put a little bit more. His feet are a little bit wider for being a little guy. And I think it's this part that's, did I do it backwards?
the heel is
The heel is the white, right? So, okay, so the bottom needs to be whiter. That's enough for the heel. These are going to be the little toesies.
yeah.
All right. So we've got this guy, we've got this guy, and we're going to do it upside down. And so we've got this in there. Can we see what's going on here? There we go. We got the little baby feet. Woo! He's like, what's going on here, guys? That's up to you. Get it on there.
Okay. Whoa.
Oh, so cute. That's okay. And then we've got baby wipes on standby. And if you do get any boo-boos, because you guys know I get boo-boos. Just wipe that off there. Oh, these are so cute. And I'm gonna add a little bit more yellow. Is that yellow?
Yeah.
And we'll go with the other foot now.
I see.
I think so.
Yep.
He's like, what are you doing? Oh, let me get a little bit more. There we go. How cute. And that's it. Now we just wait for it to dry. Look at how cute that is. Oh my goodness. And this is going to be a keepsake and go out every single year, right?
Yes.
So cute. Well, you guys, let me show you Aiden. This is him. Is he the cutest? All right. That was fun. And it only took 6 minutes, 7 minutes. And now, I mean, how easy would it be to continue stamping and making those for grandparents and great-grandparents and everybody? So if you like this, please give me a big thumbs up. Again, I found it on Pinterest. They're all over the place, so it's not my idea, but I hope you like it. Talk to you later. Bye.